Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, after Chelsea's fantastic win against Bayer Leverkusen, after the game, Enzo Maresca sent a message to Chelsea fans. Enzo Maresca said something to Chelsea fans. We'll come and look at them. And also, after the game, the young, talented Estival also sent a message to Chelsea fans. His debut game in a blue shirt, the same as Jamie Gittins' debut game and his debut message to Chelsea fans. So let's look at this player's message to Chelsea fans before we come and end with Enzo Maresca. Yes, message to Chelsea fans, guys. So please watch this video till the end. Let's come to Jamie Gittins' own first. After the game, the message from Jamie Gittins, guys. Jamie Gittins, I spoke to Cole Palmer. He simply said, come to Chelsea. The manager has told me to get goals and assists. Take on my man on both the left and the right side. Have an end product and work hard. Have an end product and work hard. That is good. Agent Cole Palmer. Agent Cole Palmer. Cole Palmer said, Jamie Gittins, come to Chelsea and win trophies. And indeed, he already won a trophy. The trophy that we won, yes, after the game. The Malta what and what Guinness trophy or what and what trophy. Yes, Estival already won a trophy in Chelsea. I can't believe this. Estival is 18 years of age. Score on the 8th day of the month. Score on the 8th day of the year calendar. And score on 18th minutes of the game. Guys, Jamie Gittins said that when he was about to sign for Chelsea, Cole Palmer texted him and informed him to join Chelsea. Told him to join Chelsea. Him and Cole Palmer, they were once in Man City Academy. Yes, so they have the link up. The friendship is still there. So agent Cole Palmer made it happen. And indeed, as a winger, that is your number one rule. Your number one duty as a winger, taking on your markers, yes, scoring goals, giving assists. When you dribble 1-2, you release the ball, or if you get the chance, you shoot. And so far, so good in this game. What we saw from Jamie Gittins, he's a skillful player. He is a direct player, a player who have pace. Yes, and that is what we need in our flanks. Even when we look at Enzo Maresca tactics, it demands that. It need that far wing players, that far wingers, Pedro Neto and co, Jamie Gittins and co. You need to have the skillful to take on your markers or to shoot at the end of the day. Yes, when you do the dribble, as I said, 1-2, you shoot or you give a pullback or you give a pass. And so far, so good. What we saw from Jamie Gittins is promising. And after the game also, they interview Estival Williams, the future Ballon d'Or winner. Yes, the under-21 best player of the year. Yes, he's winning it all day. All day. No, I don't see any player winning this award ahead of Estival. No, Yamal, no, nobody's winning ahead of Estival. So after the game, they interview him and ask him a question. This is the answer from Estival, guys. Estival, first and foremost, I just want to thank God for everything he has done in my life. I'm very happy and fulfilled to debut for Chelsea at Stamford Bridge, next to our amazing fans, and even happier with the match and the goal. What a wow. See, this guy, like some of us, the time Chelsea signed him, we're talking about him, yes, how talented he is. Some people think because we are Chelsea fans, we were hyping him, yes, overrated, what. No. But now everybody can see. See, even if you are not a Chelsea fan, and this guy is on display, you know that this player is talented player. You know that Estival got the high ceiling. I'm telling you, this guy, injuries can only stop him. And I am praying that it doesn't come his way, injuries. Apart from injuries, I don't see any defender who is stopping Estival. I don't see any team who is stopping Estival. No. So this guy has come to stay. He has come to the Premier League to win trophies, to win individual trophies and major trophies for Chelsea. I am seeing this guy as next Eden Hazard. But for him, he will not leave. No. When his prime comes, he will not leave. So Estival, welcome to Chelsea once again. I can see that this guy is a God-fearing man also. God-fearing player. Yes, he loves God. He loves Jesus. And I can see that Estival is church boy. I like that. That is why always when he go onto the pitch, he want to give his best, his all. Yes, so that he can play to expectation. the same amount of money Chelsea we are paying him. And he is a god man. So guys, this is a message from Estival. Yes, Williams after the game. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. Yes, about this game. How do you see this game? Chelsea Leverkusen. Is the future promising? What you saw from this game? And let's come to this important transfers before we come to Enzo Maresca, guys. Javi Simon latest just came. This is it, guys. Chelsea value Javi Simon near 50 million, whereas Leipzig valuation is around 16 million. Talks remain ongoing between representatives of the club. So, guys, now Chelsea value Javi Simon 50 million. Chelsea want to pay 50 million for Simon, but RB Leipzig want 16 million. And also, Chelsea want to done with the outgoings. Chelsea want to finish with the outgoings before they come back to see if they can sign Javi Simon. And RB Leipzig themselves, they want a replacement for their player before they let him leave. Even their game against Lens, yes, now Javi Simon is among the squad. He has been added back to the squad. So things are progressing. Things hasn't stopped. So guys, that is the latest for Javi Simon coming to Chelsea. It's all about the fee and Chelsea dealing with outgoings. And even as we are speaking now, Ditro Fofana is about to leave. If you can remember that striker, that Toulouse interested to sign him or are in talks with Chelsea to sign him. So Chelsea is currently working with the outgoings. So after the outgoings, there Chelsea can go for Javi Simon to see if they can sign him at the end. And latest for our best striker, Nikolai Johnson just came. About his fee, initial Chelsea wanted to sell him, yes, 80 million, but the team that want to sign him don't want to pay the 80 million. They want to pay something like 60 million and below. But this is the latest information for Nikolai Johnson. Chelsea expect a fee for Nikolai Johnson that is comparable to the 52 million paid by Arsenal for Nuno Madrid. On Chelsea reported 18 million fee for Nikolai Johnson. The feeling in the industry is this can be negotiated. So now guys, it is looking like Chelsea will accept something below the 18 million. Chelsea is now ready to negotiate Nikolai Johnson contract. Yes, to see if they can sell him below the 18 million. But Chelsea said that if Ekitike can be sold 95 million and Sesko can be sold 75 million, what showed that Nikolai Johnson doesn't deserve 18 million valuation. That is the information, or that is the reasons the benchmark Chelsea is using to sell Nikolai Johnson. And it's true. It's true because now Ekitike is not better than Johnson. Sesko is not better than Johnson. All these guys, they are new into the Premier League. They are coming to adapt. And Johnson already been in the Premier League, scored some fine goals. All the 2 seasons Johnson has been in the Premier League, he scored more than 10 goals. Each of the seasons, he scored more than 10 goals. So Ekitike and Sesko, we don't know what they are even coming to do. No. We don't know what they are bringing to their various teams. Whether they will come and perform or they will come and be a flop. And as I said, see, Johnson bad name is selling more than Johnson good name. Apart from the finishing, Johnson is not a bad player. I see our front line, apart from Kulpama last season, who was performing better than Johnson. Let's be honest. I'm not here to defend Johnson. Apart from Kulpama and at some point Neto, yes, who was performing, contributing in play, like being just a player, like someone you will see whether he can cause danger for opponent to score, whether he can score by himself. Apart from Kulpama, nobody was better than Johnson. But because Johnson's bad name is selling more than his good name, like as if he's just a bad player. Sesko, the United son, he's not better than Johnson. Ekitike, Liverpool son, he's not better than Johnson. I'm telling you, if Johnson can work on his finishing, he will become one of the best. See, if Johnson can work on his finishing, I'm seeing Johnson to be like Hurricane. Johnson can pass as a striker. He can dribble. He can hold the ball. He can do everything with the ball. But just that, the finishing. And all these things, for me, I believe Johnson will overcome it. I'm telling you, we saw Benzema at Real Madrid, his early days at Madrid. Things wasn't going well. But now look at him, Ballon d'Or winner. Yes. So in the future, let's hope at the end of the day, Chelsea, even if we sell Johnson, we can go and bring someone who is better. So that in the future, even if it will take Chelsea to regret, we will not regret much. Because for me, I'm seeing Jackson adapting in the future. I am seeing Jackson improving in the future. So guys, Chelsea is about to sell Nikolai Johnson. Let me hear from you under the comment section about the fee. Chelsea now seem to reduce the fee, the 80 million to something like 60 million or even 55 million. Should Chelsea sell him or should Chelsea keep him? And also Ganacho to Chelsea is advancing. For Ganacho, dear guys, let's just consider him as a Chelsea player. Chelsea will sign him. No, Chelsea will sign him. But just that United want 14 million and Chelsea want to pay 13 million. At the end of the day, Chelsea will sign Ganacho. So the personal terms already agree. Ganacho even rejected so many clubs. He want to join Chelsea. And I know, Agent Enzo Fernandez is behind this transfer. Agent Enzo Fernandez is behind this deal. Enzo is pushing Ganacho to come to Chelsea. And first of all, is Ganacho a bad player? No. But just that the attitude was something that Chelsea fans were being panic of or having problem with. But if Ganacho can come and work on his attitude, see, he will become one of the best players. See, Ganacho is a good player, but as I said, the attitude. And also what I like about this Ganacho transfer is that he's not coming to be our main man. Ganacho is not coming to walk straight into our starting 11. He is coming to compete. That means even if he comes and doesn't live to expectation, he will go back to the bench. Next season, we'll sell him to Arsenal. Next season, we'll sell Ganacho to Arsenal. Or we'll sell Ganacho and even make our profit. He's still young, 20 years of age. So even if it doesn't work as we are doing with other players, Chelsea can still sell him at higher fee, higher price, and we'll collect our money. So Ganacho signing, see, it's win-win for Chelsea. If he come and bang it, if he come and prove it, we'll go after Manchester United. We'll let them know that they were the problem. As we are speaking now, one of their players got Ballon d'Or nominee. Their former player, McTominay, who saw this coming. That means that the god of McTominay is working. That means if McTominay didn't leave United, he won't get that nominee. No. So it means that Ganacho, and even when you look at all United players who left United, they were saying they were the problem, Fred and co. When they left, they went and performed. Even Wan-Bissaka and co. Look at Wan-Bissaka at West Ham. He is their main man. He is their main man. So for me, I believe Ganacho will perform in Chelsea. Ganacho will do it. See, United is the problem, not Ganacho, not McTominay, not Fred. No, not Wan-Bissaka. United is the problem. So Ganacho is not the problem. Manchester United is the problem. So guys, Ganacho to Chelsea is advancing. Let me hear from you under the comment section about these deals, Nikolai Johnson and Alejandro Ganacho. And let's come to Enzo Maresca West. Yes, after Chelsea game, Chelsea beaten by Leverkusen 2-0. This is the information from Enzo Maresca, guys. Enzo Maresca on Liverpool. It is priority that we strengthen the defense. This is because Liver is a fantastic player. What we achieved last season is because of him. He played all the games with me. I love him. We are going to miss him. Enzo Maresca on Cowell. He is like any player can be in this moment. It will be a very long stop. It changed our preparation completely because Liver last year was very important for us. A main player also in the way we play. What a wow. That means Liverpool is important for Enzo Maresca tactics. That means Liverpool is crucial for Enzo Maresca tactics. That means at the end we need Liverpool. So guys, after the game, they asked Enzo Maresca even about Chelsea getting a replacement, and he said they will look onto it. So after the game, pictures came out, Enzo Maresca talking to the school sporting directors, Lauren Stewart and Paul Rostarley. And maybe we are saying that they are discussing about that, whether Chelsea will go and find a replacement for Liverpool. Because see, Cole, especially at the ending part of this season, see, up to now, he has been a standout player. His everything was on point. His markings, his tacklings, his decision making, his positioning, everything about Liverpool at the ending part of this season, up to the Club World Cup, up to now, even as he's injured, he's better than some people centre back. Liverpool at the hospital is better than some people active players. I'm telling you, hey, don't compare. Don't just compare. So guys, see, Liverpool is a really important player for us, as Enzo Maresca said. The way we play, our tactics, his understanding, his positioning. So if Chelsea is going to sign a centre back, I will not complain. Yes. But if Chelsea is going to do it, that means we need someone who can just come and pick it quick. Yes. And try to cover Liverpool well or replace Cole well, because we can't trust on Fofana. That is why they are even talking about signing a centre back. So we should go in for more proven experience. Now, football, it is looking like you can't use age to define experience anymore. Because even now, it is looking like young players are doing it. Look at Cole Palmer. Look at Yamal and co. Look at Cucurella and co. So I would say that a proven player or experienced player I will not use the H here because, as I explained, now it is looking like even young players are doing it. So Chelsea should go in for a proven centre back who will come and replace Liverpool very, very, very well. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Enzo Maresca, whether Chelsea should sign a centre back or not to replace Liverpool. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Should Chelsea sign a centre back? Do you think we need someone to replace Liverpool, or do you trust on the current centre backs we have? Tosin, Chaluba, and Co. And Fofana is also back. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. And yesterday, I gave you the video after our game. Yes, the review just by Leverkusen. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans and football fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.